Y'all remember that Lasko Weathershield I bought back in 2018? I think I've made a post of it about it on Facebook, and I never made an actual YouTube video of it, but I bought this thing back in 2018, and here's what it looks like after 5.5 years of having it. And it still works. All three speeds work. And you know why that is? If you look at it, you'll see it's been properly upkept, cleaned, and maintained. Because every time it got dirty, I took it apart and cleaned it. I gotta clean it again, but see this? After almost 6 years of having this thing is still working. The power of taking care of your stuff. See what taking care of your stuff gets you? You store it away in its box to protect it, and you clean it and maintain it regularly. We had it in that cabinet there after using it this summer. So there it is. You take care of it and it'll take care of you.